Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make meat cutlets. This is Ramadan special. I'm gonna take you to the ingredients so we can get started, and the ingredients are so many of them here. I'm gonna start with the ground beef, one medium-sized onion finely chopped coriander, chopped mint. We need some eggs, ginger garlic paste for the spices. This is coriander powder, cumin powder, cloves powder, nutmeg powder, and cardamom powder, salt and pepper. This is just a bread soaked in water. I try to squeeze all the water. You can do a better job than me. And then breadcrumbs and also oil for frying. Now to the ground beef, everything goes in. Ginger garlic paste, all the spices, salt to taste, pepper, the bread that was soaking, onion, chopped coriander and mint. And I already washed my hand. I'm gonna use my hand and give this a good mix until everything, all the ingredient, all the spices goes everywhere in the meat, and then we're gonna move forward. Okay, so my meat is ready to go. It's on the side, and to this bowl I'm gonna start breaking my eggs and then beat them all. Add just a little bit, not much, salt and pepper, and then just beat the egg. And then to that, which I forgot to mention earlier, I'm just gonna add just a bit of milk to it. Okay, everything is ready, all the preparation is ready, my oil is preheating, and then you can see my meat is here, my breadcrumbs is here, my egg wash, because I add a little bit of milk, I call it egg wash. And then I have also a plate, empty plate, so I can do all of them at once, and then I can fry them. But if you do want to freeze them, you can just dip this in the egg first and then the breadcrumbs, and then you can stack them in a Tupperware or a Ziploc bag, freezer bag, and then that way you can easily freeze your cutlets and remove it anytime and let it thaw and then fry. You're still gonna get a nice fresh cutlets to eat. Now if you can use biscuit instead of the breadcrumbs, you can use that, because biscuit has a better taste than breadcrumbs. And then you have noticed that I did add bread to my meat, because that helps the meat, the cutlets, to stay. If you don't want to add bread, you can just add like a little bit more breadcrumbs instead of the bread, and then you can add one egg and then beat the egg, mix together with the meat, and then that will be fine as well. So now, according to your size, you can just, I'm keeping this traditional today by dipping this in the breadcrumbs first and then the egg. Okay, my oil is hot enough, and now I'm gonna dip this in my egg wash and then straight to the oil. And the heat is over medium. I'm just gonna fry like 3 at a time. Smells is already good in here. You can see it's already catching golden brown in color. It's been a minute. Gently just flip it. And then let it fry on the other side. And this will take about 3 minutes for the total cooking, like 1.5 minutes each side, depending on how high is your stove, your gas, like whatever you're using. Now you guys can see the first batch, how the oil is. It's because of the egg, so don't worry about that. And the cutlets will take about 3 minutes to cook, 1.5 minutes on each side. And this is looking gorgeous. I'm just gonna remove this. And then I'm gonna repeat the same to the rest. Okay guys, my cutlets is ready to go. And then this is it. This is how it looks like. Gorgeous color, golden brown color, and smells is incredible in here. If you don't want to fry all of them like I did, what I did is I unroll them into the breadcrumbs. Do not add the egg, do not dip in the egg if you want to freeze them. Just breadcrumbs, flat them, Tupperware or a Ziploc bag or freezer bag, and then when it's time for you to fry, then you're just gonna defrost them and then dip in the egg wash and then fry. Good to go. You're gonna have a nice fresh cutlets anytime you want. Get the full written recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.